Hello, I'm Matthew Sheffield, and I'm the coordinator of Civil and Environmental Engineering Technologies at San Jose Community College. I want to talk to you today about a few technologies that we use in our department that are on the cutting edge of the industry. And I want to start first with UAS technology. Now, UAS is an acronym that stands for Unmanned Aerial Systems. On the street, they're also known as drones, and we have two different types that we use in our department. We have these little baby ones, and you'll see that they are quadcopter. They have 4 blades, and they fly up and down. They can hover, kind of like a helicopter would. This is our baby drone. And then as you move up, we have a lot bigger drone. This is a survey grade drone that would pair with a GPS unit. Now, GPS is another acronym that stands for Global Positioning Satellites. So with drones typically are equipped with some kind of remote sensing device, and these drones are equipped with a camera, a high resolution camera. So drones are used as a data collection tool. So we can fly these drones and we can perform construction inspection of buildings or infrastructure inspections of things like dams or bridges after they're built. We can also change out these cameras for other sensing devices, and we can fly over and get point clouds of a bridge, a building, or even the surface of the earth. And then we can use that data to produce a map. Next, we have a 3D room scanner. This utilizes a laser, and it will spin around 360 degrees. This is also a data collection tool that's used to collect point clouds or pictures. So if we were going to collect and model this room that we're in, we would need to move this device around to different perspectives in the room so that we get a full three-dimensional image of this room. Now, this scanner will take a couple minutes once it sets up and it does its revolution, and it takes pictures on top of the point cloud. And then we can use this to make maps or to build a model of a room. Next, we're going to talk about some survey equipment that we utilize in our department. What we have here is what's called a total station. Now, a total station has the ability to turn angles horizontally and vertically and measure distances to a point away from us. And a total station is able to measure those distances through the use of another acronym, which is called an EDM, which is an electronic distance measuring device. So an EDM. We can utilize these to collect data points to make maps. We can also utilize some more advanced pieces of equipment in survey, like this thing here, which is a GPS satellite receiver. This would go at the end of a 2-meter pole, and you would observe the heavens, which are the satellites. And we would receive signal, and we'll determine where we're at on the Earth. Next, we have a VR headset. Now, VR stands for virtual reality. These headsets, as you probably already know, you've seen commercials where you can play video games and go to different places in the world through the VR. But we use it in our industry to be able to get a 3D realization of a structure or a building or of the surface of the ground. So we can take some of the data that we collected from our UAS or our 3D scanner and dump that into software such as Revit or Civil 3D and produce a 3-dimensional model. And then we can see it through our VR headset.